we will hide. Cigarettes and smoking are not allowed. Thank you for flying on this plane.
Foggy morning. We're on our way to our walking tour.
As we walked to the meeting place, we saw Palacio de San Telmo, which is an impressive Baroque palace dating back from 1682. It is now the seat of the regional Andalusian government. The building was then put into use as a maritime academy and orphanage for children of seafarers. It was hence named after Saint Elmo, the patron saint of seafarers.
Look for the white umbrella. What's her name? Gemma.
Our meeting place is the Plaza de España. This is a beautiful square built for the 1929 Hispano-American World Fair exhibit. It is roughly the size of 7 football pitches and surrounded by gorgeous canals. The 4 beautiful bridges that cross the canal represent the ancient kingdoms of Spain. 2 tall towers stand at the ends of the square, giving a perfect balance to the whole. These towers can be seen from all over Seville. This monument has been the setting for famous films such as Lawrence of Arabia or Episode 2 of Star Wars, Attack of the Clones. This is the University of Seville, which was formerly Real Fábrica de Tabacos, the city's old tobacco factory. The building used to be surrounded by water. The inside of the building has been adapted to its new function as a university. The Torre del Oro is a 36-meter high tower built by the Almohads in the 12th century and was a part of the Moorish city wall. The purpose of the tower was to control shipping on the Guadalquivir River. A heavy chain ran under the water from the massive tower to the other side to prevent enemy ships from sailing on the river. The Plaza del Toros is the largest and most important arena for bullfighting in Spain. Bullfighting is a bit controversial topic in Spain, and as Lou said, when you're in a gathering, it's best to avoid 2 topics, politics and bullfighting. Plaza de San Francisco is significant as the city's main public square since the 16th century, housing the historic City Hall, or Ayuntamiento, and serving as a site for important events including bullfights, the Inquisition, and processions.
We arrived to the cathedral. The thing is, I don't see a cathedral in there. I see a mosque. That's what the building used to be. It used to be the main mosque of the Basque in Seville. When the city was conquered.
General Archive of the Indies is one of the most important document centers that exist with regard to the discovery and conquest of the New World. It is the central location for all the documents relating to the Spanish overseas possessions, including the expedition and later colonization of the Philippines. So guys, this is Ajo Blanco.
Ajo blanco.
Ajo Blanco, and this is tacos. We got orange juice, and then these are the same. Let's dig in for our appetizers.
Is it good?
Looks good. Enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you. This is the octopus. But today is salmon. Look at that. Looks so yummy. This is the calming oil.
Is this ours? Basilica de la Macarena is a neo-Baroque church building dating from 1949 in honor of the Virgin Mary, La Virgen de la Esperanza Macarena. Next to the basilica is the Arco de la Macarena. This arch is a remnant of the fortress wall from the time of the Almohad dynasty and was at that time the city gate for the king, heading towards the royal palace of Seville. Since the Macarena district is located outside of the tourist areas, it is one of the most authentic districts of Seville.
The Hercules column.
de la Encarnación is Metropol Parsol, also known as the Mushrooms of Seville, or Las Setas de Sevilla. This building, which opened in 2011, is the largest wooden construction in the world. Architect Jürgen Mayer won the competition partly thanks to the way he interrogated the remains of a Roman colony into his building. People originally wanted to build a parking lot here, but that idea was abandoned once these Roman remains were discovered. We are going to go to the train station by taking an Uber. After the train station, which takes 2 hours, more than 2 hours, we will arrive to Madrid.
Madrid to celebrate New Year.
We're going to stay there for 7 days, technically 6 days. But you might be thinking, that's the same as Barcelona. Well, Barcelona, we only spent there technically 5 days, but we spent 6 days because we took a day trip to Girona. Well, see you at the train station. See you on the next one, guys. Peace out. Dun, 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 dun.